Known as the Green Heart of Italy, Umbria is the only landlocked region in the central part of the country, bordered by Tuscany, Marche and Lazio. Its enchanting medieval towns and rolling hills carpeted with olive groves and vineyards can make it appear as if time has stood still. Join us in the following report to discover the beauty of the countryside in autumn.
Drone video filmed over Italy's central Umbrian countryside has picked up the beautiful gold, rust and orange colors of the change to autumn. In the countryside around the town of Montefalco, the area is filled with vineyards, and as the leaves on the vines begin to die off, the rolling hills become a sea of orange and reds.
Plants are green. Vines are green like all plants. When the autumn comes, they go to sleep. They stop working and producing chlorophyll. That is the basis of all their nutritional mechanism, and all the colors that are normally underneath emerge. They are the results of anthocyanins and carotenoids.
Sometimes Mother Nature lends a hand to make the view even more spectacular, adding a rainbow or accentuate the colors with dark storm clouds.
It is a beautiful place. It is a marvelous place where everything changes from one hill to the next. The views are also absolutely different from each other. You just need to lose yourself in these country roads to encounter incredible views. At this time of the year, all vineyards are filled with colors. Whoever comes here will have a chance to see something spectacular that will leave them speechless.
Home of the capital Rome, Umbria is fast becoming a popular wine region. For travelers seeking authentic food and wine experiences, Umbria should rank high on their must-visit lists, particularly in autumn, when the region's seasonal bounty is at its peak